In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Form 1095A into TurboTax. Adding this form is essential for those who received health insurance through the health insurance marketplace and want to ensure their tax filings are accurate and complete. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, head over to the official TurboTax website. It's important to ensure you're on the right site to have a smooth and secure experience when you start filing your taxes. Once you're there, look for the sign in option. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account details, so go ahead, log in, and you'll be directed to your TurboTax homepage. Once you're on the homepage, the next move is to navigate to the federal section. This area of TurboTax is where you'll handle all your federal taxes, so it's crucial to start here for adding your 1095A. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the deductions and credits section. This is where you'll see all the possibilities for deductions and credits that might apply to you, including medical. Clicking here will open up several possibilities for entering your tax information. Next, in the search bar, type in 195. This is a quick way to directly locate the section related to your health insurance marketplace statement. You should see the medical section appearing in your search results. Click on medical, and this will present various medical related forms and sections. Look for the section specifically labelled Affordable Care Act Form 1095A, as it's dedicated to the details you need to enter from your 1095A form. The Form 1095A includes your personal details, dates of health plan coverage, and the amounts of the premium tax credit. After you've found it, go ahead and click on Start. This will begin a simple sequence of prompts to guide you in entering the details from your Form 1095A. As you go through these prompts, make sure to have your form handy so you can input accurate information about your policy number, coverage dates, and monthly premium amounts. It's crucial to review every detail you enter to ensure everything matches up with your form. That wraps up the process for adding your 1095A into TurboTax. Remember, submitting accurate information is key to avoiding any discrepancies when filing your taxes. By following this guide, you should now have successfully entered your 1095A, ensuring your tax return reflects your received health coverage throughout the year. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to TurboTax support or consult the detailed guide given in the TurboTax Help Center. Happy filing!